Welcome to The Explainer. What if there was one single exercise that could seriously strengthen your entire body, make you a better athlete, and even boost your overall health? Well, today we're diving into the incredible benefits of the squat and why adding it to your daily routine might just be a total game changer.
It sounds almost too good to be true, right? One move to transform your body. But for so many people in the know, the squat is that exercise. So in this explainer, we're going to break down the science and find out if this simple foundational movement really does live up to all the hype.
All right, so first things first, what is a squat really? I want you to completely forget about it as just another leg day exercise. It's so much more than that. It's one of the most fundamental movements we make as humans, a dynamic, full-body action you're probably already doing all day long. Now, the official definition calls it a dynamic strength training activity. That's really just a fancy way of saying it forces a ton of muscles in your upper and lower body to fire up and work together all at once. Seriously, think about it. Every time you get up from your chair, bend over to pick something up, heck, even climbing stairs, you're doing a version of a squat. It's just built into how we move. Okay, so we know what it is. Now let's get into the first huge benefit, how the squat literally helps you build a bulletproof body, making you stronger from your bones all the way out. And here's the really cool part. The magic of the squat is how all of these benefits are connected. You're not just strengthening your legs, you're also building a rock-solid core. That stronger core helps protect you from injury. And at the same time, you're even making your bones denser. And it all starts right there, in your core. And how effective is it for your core? Well, a 2018 study actually put squats head-to-head against the plank, which everyone thinks of as the ultimate core exercise. The result was pretty shocking. The back squat was even better at activating the deep core muscles that support your spine. That means it's an amazing tool for building a strong back that's resistant to injury. And this isn't just about muscle. As the American Council on Exercise points out, you're also strengthening all that important connective tissue, your tendons and ligaments, and your bones too. You are literally building a more robust, more resilient body from the inside out. Okay. But here's the deal, and this is super important. To get all these benefits, your form has to be on point. You got to aim for that full 90-degree bend in your knees. If you do those little shallow squats, you're not just cheating yourself out of the results. You could actually be putting your lower back and knees at risk down the line. Form is everything. So we've built this strong, solid foundation. Now let's talk about how all that strength actually translates into real-world dynamic ability. This is where things get really fun. I mean, let's be honest, being strong in the gym doesn't mean much if you can't use it, right? Well, squats are the bridge that connects that raw strength to actual athletic skill. They help you build the explosive power to jump higher, the speed to sprint faster, and the balance and mobility you need to just move better in any sport or activity you do. And hey, don't just take my word for it. A 2016 study had athletes do jump squat training just 3 times a week. The results? They were pretty dramatic. Their sprint times got better, and their explosive strength went way up. It's just a crystal clear example of how this one exercise can directly upgrade your athletic performance.
All right, so we've talked about strength, we've talked about performance, but believe it or not, the benefits of squats don't even stop there. Now we're going to get into some of the surprising whole body effects you might not expect from a strength exercise.
Let's talk about burning calories. You probably think you need to jump on a treadmill for that, right? Well, think again. According to Harvard Medical School, a 155-pound person can burn about 223 calories in just 30 minutes of intense squatting. I mean, that's right up there with a brisk walk or a bike ride, and you're building muscle at the same time. But it's about more than just the calories you burn during the workout. Because squats use so many huge muscle groups, they actually trigger a powerful hormonal response. Your body releases things like testosterone and growth hormone, which creates what's called an anabolic or muscle-building environment. So, squats actually help you build muscle all over your body, not just your legs. It's a truly amazing exercise.
So, after hearing all this, you might be wondering, who is this for? Is this just for pro athletes or bodybuilders? And the answer is a huge, emphatic no. The real beauty of the squat is that it is for absolutely everyone.
And this might be the most important point of the whole thing. You don't need a fancy gym membership. You don't need any special equipment. You can do a squat literally anywhere, anytime. All you need is your own body weight. And that makes this incredibly powerful exercise one of the most accessible and democratic workouts on the entire planet. So we've seen how this one single movement can help you build a stronger body, unlock your athletic potential, and just improve your overall health from the inside out.
It really seems like the only question left to ask is the one sitting right there on your screen. Are you going to start doing them every day?